Hi everyone, welcome to Vlogmas day 5, I think. But basically, this is a glow up. So this is our before, and then y'all gonna see that after. But first things first is wash day, y'all. I'm on my period right now, so I really don't feel like doing shit. But just cause I'm on my period, that don't mean don't do shit. Like, I try to give myself grace, but like right now I'm trying to just stay with my shit. Like, but I'm gonna detangle my hair first. Oh, you always supposed to detangle your hair before you get in the shower. Or basically, this is my spray bottle, and I filled it with hot water and conditioner. I only do hot water because I don't want to use cold water and it's gonna drip on me and be cold. But yeah, hot water and conditioner. Y'all taking pictures with Santa Claus tomorrow, like we do every year. We're not doing our natural hairstyle because I'm literally damn near out of products to do it with. Bro, Black Friday was 2 weeks ago and my shit didn't even ship it. I also need to wash my wig and blow dry her, and I don't want to curl her, I want to crimp her, so that's what we're gonna do for her. I'm gonna come back after my hair is washed. First, you're gonna separate your hair into 4 sections. One of them being out. So the one I'm leaving out is this left section right here. Y'all see how wet my hair is? That's how wet your hair need to be. Your hair need to be wet, okay? Because when you blow drying it, you blow dry and dry hair, it don't make sense. So we're gonna go in with the Sacred. This is how much you want to put. You want to put as much as you feel like you need. I feel like this is good for this section of hair. Put this on there. Make sure you're getting every hair strand. That might have actually been a little too much, but it's okay. Alright, I'm gonna come back when the rest of my hair is done. Okay guys, so as y'all can see, my hair is blown out. It's really uneven. Well, not really, but it's uneven. So one day in the future, I will get my hair cut by a professional, but not anytime soon. This is the reward. This is part 1 of the reward. We need to get rid of this pimple. Y'all see this big ass pimple? So I'm gonna apply my cream to it. I'm gonna wash my face before I go to sleep tonight. I did a link check on my TikTok and my Instagram, so y'all check that out. Okay guys, as y'all can see, my hair is braided, period. I did my braid map how I usually do it. It's like one horizontal, one in the back, and then the rest from the front straight back. So now we're gonna grease my scalp with some almond oil. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see my edges. So this is how my edges look. Honestly, they feel, this is almond oil. Something about oiling your scalp is just so, I don't know, especially with almond oil, it's so cooling, y'all. I probably keep my hair in these braids for like 2 weeks. I like to do the middle first. Y'all, my topicals just came in. But y'all gotta watch the Black Friday haul if y'all want to see everything I got for Black Friday. Just know topicals is one of them. Like, my favorite topicals, this is the only one I tried so far, is the clear one. Y'all, this one container lasts forever. I'm gonna tell y'all, today's date is December 8th. December 8th. So you can drink with this on, you can eat with this on. It barely moves. Like, y'all, it's so good. It's a black owned brand. Yeah, y'all, I gotta trim my wig because the ends is just so. The ends are just so crunchy. Y'all can see, like, look at the ends. Like, they're fried. So we're gonna cut the wig shorter, which is fine. Okay, guys. So it is 8:09. My hair is braided. My hair is washed. The wig is washed. The wig is trimmed. Y'all see the trim. We literally just did a 0-degree trim. Cut off all the dead ends. I cut the dead ends in the front as well. Just a little bit of a layer. Wear this wig so many times. I think I'm gonna put it in the link below because I actually do like this wig. I don't think it's 100% human hair, okay? But I do like this wig. It's easy to work with. But now we're gonna crimp it because I really want to crimp my wig. Okay, guys, so I did my eyelashes last night. Okay, period. So I started with 16. I've been starting with 18 recently, and I just don't like it. Yeah, I just don't like it. So I do have my pimple. Yikes, y'all, yikes. It's still here, so we're gonna keep putting medicine on that. I already put on my moisturizer. Y'all, I need to get me a full size of the Tatcha moisture cream, whatever the fuck that's called, because it's just so moisturizing. And like that little bit was not enough. Like that shit already almost gone. Lashes are done. Hair, y'all see I braided my hair, y'all saw that. And the wig is done. Woo. So here's how it look on. I gotta tighten this, hold up. That just feels so loose. I don't know what that's about, like, but whatever. Here is how it looks. So I use this bed head spray every time I did a crimp, and then when I finish crimping all the hair so that they didn't fall. And honestly, before I like comb them out or anything, because I do have to go to work, I don't think, should I comb them out before I go to work? If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. Check out my last Vlogmas video. Also, this is the makeup I put on the lace. Yeah. I don't know. I was talking about it. I'm not fucking with, but it's gonna have to be alright.